Awesome with DS Dive. We're having a 43-foot formula at B5 Harbor Town. After video, the only thing I found with the boat was there was one screw missing off the zinc off the mount on the second motor in on the port side. I'll get that pointed out and then we'll get to the after video. Let's go have a look at her. So it is May 30th, 2023. Pointed out, the port side second one in, that's the one missing the screw on the zinc. Thanks, bud. Thank you. Alright, this is the water line here. I want to show you this. So in case you see your boat in 2 weeks and there's a heavy growth on it, this will show that it is just freshly cleaned and it's just the exponential amount of growth that is happening this time of the year. Once again, always a pleasure, and thank you for choosing DS Diving.